Hi everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid to like videos on YouTube. And this is going to be available worldwide. So it's going to be good for a lot of people to make money online this way. And you're going to make some very quick PayPal cash in this method. So stay tuned and let's get started right now. Hi guys, since you're on my YouTube channel guys, I just want to point out my big money link here. If you guys are interested in making a lot more money than today's method, this is the link to go to, okay guys? So let's get started. So the site I'm going to show you today is right here. Oh my goodness, look at all these little tasks, okay? So first of all, this is international guys. This is for everybody that is not in the USA that also wants to make money online, and this is going to be a very easy way for you guys to make some US dollars, okay? So you're going to be going onto this site, which I'm going to tell you exactly where it is in a second, so just keep watching guys, okay? So there's this site that brings together people who want tasks done and people who are willing to do the tasks together, and they come together so that they can help each other, right? So like business owners who have a Facebook page like this first one, they have a Facebook page and Facebook group, so they want you to do something for their group or page and they'll pay you 3 cents for doing that. Or you can do many little different tasks that are available. Very easy stuff like email submit, or you can do signups. Signups is very popular and you get 20 cents. It just takes a few minutes to finish that task. But there are actually a lot more tasks that can be a little bit higher. So let me just scroll down to see what else is there. So this one is $1. I can't even read that. It's German. Okay, so like this one, download, install, and this is $1 guys, okay? There's a lot of different things that you can just sign up for to get to earn money, and there's no limit of how many tasks you can do, okay? So there's many tasks that you can do at once to earn money. So if you're looking for the YouTube videos, you want to make money just by liking YouTube videos, then you would just go back up here and you're going to type in here job name YouTube, and once you do that and click enter, you're gonna get to this page right here where you can earn 6 cents or 3 cents or 4 cents, 16 cents even, and so forth to like videos on YouTube. And so you could get paid like this very easily, and they pay by PayPal guys, okay? And look at all the international. So there's a lot of opportunities here. And these numbers down here on the right, it means that there's how many to be done. So they pay multiple people. So this one is probably new. There's nobody's done it. So this one can be done 100 times, guys, okay? And so if you have, let's say, look at this one. It has 160 over here, and 101 people has already done it. So all you gotta do is click into these jobs and look at the description. So let's see, I just click in here and then it tells you exactly what to do. You see, you will earn $6 to take less than a minute to finish. And let's see, so you just gotta follow the instructions. You see, go to YouTube, search for this, then scroll down, and then you gotta find something, right, that looks like this picture here. And then they want you to watch the whole video, then you like it and subscribe. And then also comment if you can right there. So, and then attach proof. So it depends on what the employer wants you to do. It could be the URL or a screenshot, okay? And then you submit. And then once you submit, they will approve it, and that's how you will collect your money in your account on this website. So this website is called Rapid Workers, and they do crowdsourcing. So this is what they call crowdsourcing, where they bring a bunch of employers together and a bunch of workers together to do mini tasks, micro tasks they're called online. And so you can earn this way with this company. And how do you get paid? So let's take a look here. I'm a rapid worker. How do I get paid? So you got to make sure that you are going to submit your tasks and do what you're asked for, because the employer needs to rate you. Okay, they need to say satisfied. So if you are not following the instructions and doing exactly what they are asking, you're not going to get the satisfied status and you're not going to get paid. Okay, so you got to make sure you do everything the employer asks. Then you make sure that you also provide the proof that they want. Then you're going to get marked satisfied, and then you're going to get paid. So how are you going to get paid? By PayPal. So even though you're international, I know PayPal is not international like all the international countries, but majority can have access to PayPal. But this is the only way they pay, so you have to have access to PayPal. And there is a 6% withdrawal fee that you need to know about. And also there is a minimum payout of $8. So you need to collect as much as $8 before you can request a PayPal payout. And it will only take a week for them to pay out. And again, there's 6% fee that the PayPal will take. Okay, guys. But if you like this kind of work, guys, I would suggest you use multiple sites. So for this one, it's called microworkers.com. So sorry, the other one I said is Rapid Workers, but to get to the site is rapidworkers.com. And this one is microworkers.com. So this works kind of similar. It has even more tasks for you to do, like transcription, studies, surveys, and other research type things that you can do. And you can work, they all have also the same thing here. See how many tasks there are on the right side, and there's all these different tasks that are available. And then you can also search these guys with most paying. Okay, when you search most paying here, you look, it starts at $9 here, and there's 15 more opportunities for you guys to do. So all you gotta do is download an app and install, and then you send SMS logs or whatever that is. It's not going to be difficult, okay? These tasks are all going to be very easy so that anybody could do them. They're not going to be difficult at all. So you can actually earn whole dollars for tasks other than, you know, clicking or getting, just liking videos on YouTube. If you do other tasks, you're going to earn a lot more. As you can see here, you see, this is lots of dollars here, okay? So there's lots of opportunities to guys to make some quick money. And if you want to just do YouTube, you just gotta click the YouTube tab right there, and then it will filter the YouTube tasks only, okay? And it looks like it'll start at 50 cents for YouTube. Okay, so there's multiple things that you can do. So for you to maximize this kind of work, I would suggest you definitely do multiple sites and try to do everything that you can on these sites, or else you're not going to make much money at all. So that is going to be Micro Workers and Rapid Workers, guys, okay? And like I said earlier, if you're going to earn some of this money, I would suggest that you guys save it and invest in a program like the one I'm linking up here, so that you can make a bigger money and learn some online skills guide that will actually make you real money that you can really depend on, and you can make a passive online income this way. Okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.